let me show you how we can duplicate a shape around a circle in Affinity Designer version 2. So here I am in the desktop version. I got the circle here, and now I'm going to draw additional shape, triangle, just above it, just like that. And now what I want to do, I want to duplicate this all around the circle. If you try to copy and paste Command C, Command V, and then rotate that manually, it will be not precise and it will take a while. So there's a better way. Let's get rid of that. First thing we need to do, we need to move the center of rotation, because by default it's from the center of the shape, right? So let's move the center of rotation to the center of this another shape, the circle thing. So click here at the top, enable transform origin, and you will see the center of rotation, and we can move it all the way here. Let's test it out. Take a look. When I try to rotate now, it's rotating through that point. So we are halfway through. Now I can simply copy and paste, Command C, Command V, and for that copy I can move it out. If you hold Shift, you will be jumping 15 degrees. Alright. Do I have to do it again? Yeah, you can. We can press again. Command C, Command V. But we can also use something called Power Duplicate. That's Command J. And from now on, I will be not only making a copy of the object, but also make a copy of the last transformation, in our case, rotation. And this way, very quickly, we can rotate the copy around the object. So once more, if you use Power Duplicate, Command J, and then you simply press it again, Command J, you're not only making a copy, but you also duplicate the last transformation. In our case, that's the rotation. So that's the easiest way, in my opinion. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next Affinity Designer tutorial.